Hi, and welcome to BlinkBid. In this video, we will go over BlinkBid's online payment feature. We have partnered with Stripe to give users the ability to set up online payments and get paid faster. To get started, go to My Account and then Online Payments. Once in Online Payments, click the Start Online Payments button. This will take you to Stripe so you can set up an account. Just follow the prompts. If you already have a Stripe account, you can use your existing login info. Once your Stripe account has been connected, you'll see it appear in BlinkBid under Online Payments. Click on the account to change the name and connect personalities to your Stripe account. Know that you can add multiple Stripe accounts and attach them to different personalities. Once your Stripe account has been set up, it is easy to create an invoice and attach the online payment option. Simply go to a job in the personality with a connected Stripe account and select either Print or Email Invoice. Under the Online Payment drop-down menu, choose the Stripe account you want. Click Print Preview and make sure the invoice is correct. Finally, once you are happy with how the invoice looks, click to continue to create the final valid invoice. Now, with a click of a button, your client can easily pay you online through Stripe. To learn more about our online payment feature, go to blinkbid.com/get-paid-faster.